to liquidity for the cash open at 2 o'clock, right? So you can see what happened if you were going to trade this, you know, as a professional going forward. The idea is that this would have been your sell side liquidity here, and you would obviously be trying to buy into that phase there, right? You're going to try and buy that. Now, obviously, that's all very well and good if you're able and willing to go into that type of narrative, which is exactly what we're thinking. But the key idea, of course, is that, well, we don't have to buy that. We can wait until we get the Heisman, or even we can get in before the BSG squeeze. So there's the BSG squeeze price. So that's exactly what I did. I waited to get into the BSG squeeze price and then see if we can take some money off of the wheat market. Now, wheat's not a market that I trade ever. It's not a market that I know, and yet I've done a single trade for a single contract, and I've put $200 into the account almost immediately, which when you think about it, it's kind of crazy on a single contract using the things that we talk about. So obviously we looked at the calendars. We said that there was a concern about the corn, of course, but that's not the main problem. You know, the main idea is, of course, what is the wheat calendar doing? What is the basis trade doing? And the answer was very, very simple. The basis trade was bullish, and I want to be buying it, right? It's as simple as that. The basis trade was bullish, as you know. I want to be long for the basis trade being bullish. Well, it was. And we showed you it, and we talked about it. And then we put it on NinjaTrader to show you that it's possible, even after the bullishness has revealed itself, it's even possible at that stage to still be bullish wheat, and even on a single contract basis to make $200 in just 3 minutes. Imagine a market you've never traded before in real terms. Suddenly you just put a single trade on and you're making $200 a contract. That's how easy it is. That actually is how easy it can be if you just get on with stuff. You know, and the ability to just get on with stuff is very, very visible from that little screenshot. It's beautiful, isn't it? We had the class earlier on today. I put the class in action at the cash open, and that's the outcome. $200 in the account almost immediately. It's crazy if you just put it into process, isn't it? If you put the process onto your screens, if you think about the process, if you verify the process, and then put it into action immediately, all of a sudden it makes sense because you've not lost that knowledge. What a trade, what an outcome. How easy was that to achieve?